Priyanka, don't worry about if it's coming out. It's fine. Just keep calm and make.
You're making 3 parathas with this.
At least you should have. Sir.
Yeah, that's how we make the paratha.
Maybe she needs to go to the temple so that she can relax, you know. That's oil, huh?
Yeah. Used to generally we use butter, but here we have
Butter?
Butter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to have some sides of this?
And that's a mix of wheat dough,
With
potato,
tomato.
tomato,
These are like it was kind of
onion,
yeah.
and
Hey, how long
it
is
was
camera
green
Time
pepper.
lapse, time lapse.
Hey, Priyanka, have you add the salt?
Yeah. Salt and mircha sab hai.
Everything is added.
Okay, then it's fine.
What is the green thing in there?
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
The green thing in there. Is it pepper? Green pepper?
Here?
Yes.
And no.
This is for me.
I will kill you now.
Why? This is how you eat. छोटे पेड़ में
ठीक है जैसा भी
I thought of inviting my lab mate. He's from Africa, you know, Botswana. But when you
No, too small, give it to me, I'll make it big. This big, I'll make it big.
Please don't record. This one is not Aloo Paratha, believe me.
wait, this is first
Kachori.
trial, na?
This is kachori.
I mean,
Yeah, make it big.
Just to keep a memory, you know. It's not going to be a recipe or something
If we
like
will
that.
show our mom, they will beat us.
Maya will call me back in India.
Video call. Do video call.
No.
What about Priyanka?
Priyanka
she will
parents
be
are
proud,
happy.
of course, because we never eat this in South.
Okay.
See how he's.
That's how you make it actually.
That's how you crush the tissue paper.
Yeah, he's doing right.
Yeah,
That's how we do. Exactly.
that's how you do. So this is now your waste. You can mix it with any other.
See how much potatoes this is.
It's okay. It's enough.
You wanna try? You wanna roll?
Yes?
Yeah, come please.
Yeah.
Take your chance.
No, don't
Yeah.
take it.
So I will take the video. So what you do?
Caps will explain how I
Yes,
should
he can.
do. You say he's the expert, huh?
He should be expert actually because
He's supposed to be the expert, huh?
in his city people
This
eat
is
lot.
Punjabi more.
Okay.
Yeah, you can go now.
So he will teach me, huh?
Yes.
They say Caps is the expert. But what do you do with the potato baking?
But it's fine. It's fine. It's not bad. It's okay.
Yeah, you can start from first the new one.
This is the new one.
Yep. Just have to, yeah, give it good.
Okay.
Yes. And then what you do, you have to
Roll
take
it.
some flour just to make it soft.
Drier or-
Yeah, like that.
Priyanka, it's highest, no? This one?
Yeah.
And?
And then make it a ball. Make a ball.
So I put it in this.
Yeah, you can put.
Okay.
This, no?
And then take some more dough. I mean the powder, the flour,
Okay.
and keep here. So give it a press.
With my
Yeah,
hand.
with your hand. Take the rolling pin,
Okay.
and you can start rolling. Try to make a round. If not, that's okay. And be careful if it is not sticking together. The end.
It's not supposed to be
Now you
sticking,
can change the
direction
yeah
like this.
yeah. Then.
It's not supposed to be sticking. Huh?
Yeah, if you feel it is sticky, you can add flour to it.
Okay.
Little and rub it. And yeah.
Is this how they make pizza also?
Ah, yeah. Same, yeah. And you want to now you need to do the stuffing. So
I
you
put
take
the-
1 spoon of potato
Come on. Don't waste my
No, that's too big. It will burst.
Okay.
Take just a spoon.
This one?
Yeah. And oh, some more.
Some more?
Yes. And then try to roll it. Try to stuff it.
Like caps.
Like
make it like
caps.
this.
Ah, okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
No, that's good.
Oh, that's perfect.
That's good. That's good.
I make it like 2 or 3 times, I will be perfect.
I'll open my
Yes,
laptop.
that's right. And try to close all the,
Like the
Yeah.
Knots.
Yes. So now you can keep it down and start rolling it again. You should do it this way.
Ah, it's going to
No,
leak.
you close it, it will come out.
Yeah.
Close it with more. You have like this and you do it like this.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'll make a good paratha now.
Closing is difficult.
Yes.
Wow.
Because you are putting more, potatoes inside.
Don't put too much potato because we don't put too much potato.
Yeah, don't put too much potatoes.
Yeah, who is putting potatoes? Ermias.
Okay, now you start rolling.
Come
Yes.
to me.
We don't know. It's really done.
This is my first time.
Our as well.
Please don't speak. please. It's on camera.
You can change the direction.
Like.
Yeah, like this.
Look into the.
Wow. Priyanka is helping me.
Isaac is should not waiting outside.
Isaac is lost, I guess. Maybe he's now
Wait,
in Bertha.
Sahib, can you catch this? Hold this
Okay,
here.
throw it, I'll catch.
You want to play with my cell phone? Huh? This should be fine.
Hey, can you come inside?
Oh,
Hello?
He was there.
If anybody is there, then they will come. Nobody is there, then it's fine.
Did you come inside?
I think it should be fine.
I
Half
know.
20 seconds.
Oh,
I
okay.
didn't-
Oh.
Copper?
It's not
Paratha, so
That pancake. It look like pancake.
Pancake.
kind of. So now Sahib will
After-
teach
after-
Isaac to
yeah.
make aloo paratha.
There's only one left, so.
That's your last chance.
One for the little one, huh?
Okay,
At the end.
Yeah.
So Isaac, you see what you have to do?
Not really, but
I'll show you, I'll show you.
Don't worry, I'm gonna figure out.
There should be one more plate. Where is it? Oh, it's down.
How many more?
One more, two more.
Two more.
Two more. No, there are four actually.
For too fast, you need to finish it.
Yeah, take your time because the flour, dough will not be done.
That's how you make a perfect roti. Aloo
Guys,
paratha.
you can keep your jackets in the hanger. What do you have now?
Because we are men, hey, we don't know how to act.
Now it's
So
your
Isaac.
turn.
Wait, I have to take my jacket.
Okay, take it.
You can hang it here.
Come on, what are you doing?
No, not wait.
It's okay.
This is the last one.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay. Yeah, let you
I want him to try, you know.
You want him to try?
Yeah. Oh, I have
Make
to,
it flat. That's
oh, I have to lay down with all. Yeah, I see what's taking left.
It's gentle, eh?
No! You crushed it, what the fuck? Wait. Try it.
It's okay, don't worry.
Are you sure?
Yeah, good.
Wait, you like complete disaster.
Yeah, he's making a hurt paratha.
Yeah, fine. Cool.
Yeah.
That's it, buddy, that's it. Now you can chill. Should I write your name here? I? For Isaac?
No.
So that you can eat it?
Yourself.
Yeah. Good. This potato is for Isaac. Always remember. If you find more potatoes over the paratha, that's for him.
You want to do
I mean, I like to do that for some reason.
Which is potato that is taken.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel, like the video, give your feedback on the comment section, share it to others to spread the word. Thank you once again.